So I got a photo with Felix and it's day 2 now. I mean 3, sorry. The view we get. We're going there now. Oh, wow.
Yeah, it was like in the middle.
It's crazy. I moved back so other than it's more in. I was remembering yellow evil. Trying to be quiet because there's Solvin down there. I'm walking out now. Alright, through to reception is where we're heading. Alright, time to flip the camera. Felix, Leo, and Wumbo Wang are signing signatures. They're all world record holders or former world record holders. And that queue is massive. But you know, there's a bunch of signatures. The line's really long. Okay. We are going to compete in around 15 minutes. It should be not long. Times. I got a PR, 17. Got a 20, but I forgot to take a photo. I took a photo of my other 4. We're gonna head back and practice with 3x3 in like a few hours. Go. D, R, F, D, and then L prime, F prime, L2, D prime. Spin twice, right pair, spin left, U prime, left pair, U prime, right insert, U prime, spin left, left insert, spin twice, right triple sexy, U2, left insert, yep, U2, left pair, R prime, U prime, sledge, UR, and then what kind of, oh yeah, U2, V from U. That was the comp. For today, tomorrow is finals. I'll go film that second round. Probably one of the last clips from today. I'll see you tomorrow and good night. Watching 3x3 second round, which I make. Tornado free unboxing.
What I can do is because ah, oh cool. Oh. Yeah, I'm happy to help you wherever I'll be there. Saturday, Sunday? Yes. Maybe spare, probably Emily as well. You've registered? I think. Oh, Ben is Emily. She's meant to get well, yeah, no. I'm genuine.
That feels. Alright, stop. Watch Caden and something. Solve. You can insert a timer. One-handed. I know you can. Wow. Wow. We got X-Men Tornado V3, the Pioneer Edition. It's really good. I like it. That's gonna be my new main, and we're gonna go watch a few finals soon. Let's see what we got. Scube is soon. Pyramids. We'll watch one hand. Here we have Caden. He's just sitting there. Oh well. It's gonna do 3x3 one hand. And this man, you saw his solve earlier. He's really